Have you ever wanted to clear out old projects in Canva but felt unsure about how to do it? In fact, deleting a project in Canva is easier than you think. And in this video, I will walk you through the steps in a plain, simple language so you can follow along without any trouble. So, let's start. When you log into Canva, you will either see the home page or the project you were last working on. If you are already inside a project, look for the menu at the top left corner. Click on Home or See All Designs. Both options will take you back to where all your designs are stored. If you are already on the home page, you will notice a menu on the left-hand side. In that menu, look for the word Project. Click on it to see all your work. Now that you are in the Project section, you will see a list of all your designs. They might be stored at recent designs or under folders you have created. Scroll through and find the one you no longer need. Now, when you hover over each project, you will see 3 little dots. This is like a tiny menu for each design. Click on these dots and you will see an option that says Move to Trash. Select it, and Canva will send that project straight to the trash bin. Want to delete more than one project? No problem. Click the check boxes next to each project you want to remove. Once you have selected them all, look at the bottom of the screen. There you will find the option to move them to a folder or the trash. Choose Move to Trash and they are gone. But your project didn't disappear forever when you move them to the trash. Canva keeps them there for 30 days, just in case you change your mind. After that, they are deleted permanently. But if you want to clean up right away, you can go into the trash and delete them manually. Here is how. The trash icon is on the lower left side of your screen. Click it to see all the projects you have moved there. When you hover over the project, you see the 3 little dots again. Click on it and then you get 2 options. The one is for restoring the deleted project and the second option is for deleting the project permanently. Be careful here. Once you delete a project from the trash, it's gone forever. You should know that Canva doesn't let you delete multiple projects at once from the trash, so you will need to delete each one individually. It's a bit complicated, but at least it's simple to do. Now, if you ask, why should you clean up your project in Canva? Let me tell you this. Keeping your workspace tidy can make life so much easier. You will find the designs you need fast and avoid feeling overwhelmed by a cluttered list of projects. Plus, clearing out old files can feel pretty satisfying, like organizing a messy drawer. As you see, deleting projects in Canva doesn't have to be a problem. Whether you want to get rid of one old design or do a little spring cleaning, the steps are simple. Just go to your projects, find what you need to, move it to the trash, and delete it permanently if you want. So, give it a try. Cleaning up a space in Canva might make you feel more organized and ready to tackle new designs. Got stuck or need help? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear how this guide helped you.